Welcome to this complete Funchal Portugal guide. Nestled in the sun-kissed archipelago of Madeira, Funchal is an island city that has charmed countless visitors with its unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. From tropical gardens that could rival Eden to museums celebrating football legends, Funchal is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget the breathtaking Levada walks. So, without further ado, let us embark on this virtual journey of Funchal. Our first stop is the Monte Palace Tropical Garden. Imagine a realm where nature's grandeur meets human creativity, where tranquility is a constant companion. That's the Monte Palace Tropical Garden for you. Nestled in the hills of Monte, this garden is a testament to Portugal's connections with the East, featuring an impressive collection of exotic plants from around the world. The garden's history is just as captivating. Once a hotel in the late 19th century, it was transformed into this lush paradise by José Berardo in the 1980s. The unique features of the garden, such as the Oriental Garden, are a nod to Portugal's historical ties with Asia. Lovers of art will also be delighted by the garden's collection of sculptures and ceramics, some of which date back to the 15th century. This garden is a paradise for nature lovers and a perfect start to our Funchal exploration. Next, we're soaring above Funchal in the cable car. Picture this: you're suspended mid-air, gliding over the rooftops, green slopes, and azure sea. The Funchal cable car offers a thrilling 15-minute journey, connecting the lower part of Funchal to the mountainous area of Monte. As you ascend, you'll be treated to a panorama that's nothing short of breathtaking. Outlined against the sky, Funchal's traditional red-roofed houses contrast beautifully with the rich greenery of the surrounding hills. The shimmering blue Atlantic Ocean stretches out as far as the eye can see, offering a picturesque backdrop to the city's bustling harbour. When you reach the top, you're in for a treat. Monte offers its own delights, from the charming Monte Palace Tropical Garden to the historical Church of Our Lady of Monte. The cable car ride is more than just a means of transportation. It's a journey into the heart of Funchal's beauty, a ride that offers a bird's-eye view of the city. Isn't that exciting? From the sky to the streets, we now visit the bustling Mercado dos Lavradores, a vibrant hub of activity. This farmers' market is a sensory delight. The air tingles with the aroma of fresh produce and the chatter of local vendors. Stalls overflow with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, from the commonplace to the exotic. You'll find everything here, from apples and oranges to the unique Madeiran passion fruit known as maracuja. The fish section offers a look at the day's catch, showcasing Madeira's rich marine life. But the Mercado is more than just a marketplace. It's a vibrant slice of Funchal's local culture. The friendly banter of the vendors, the lively haggling, and the shared appreciation for quality goods all paint a picture of a community rich in tradition and camaraderie. Walking through the market, you can't help but feel a part of this lively tapestry of everyday Madeiran life. A visit to the market is an authentic taste of Funchal's everyday life. Our next stop is a feast for the eyes, the Madeira Botanical Garden. With an array of colours and scents that greet you at every turn, this garden is a testament to nature's artistic flair. It's not just a random assortment of pretty plants, though. The garden is meticulously arranged based on plant families and their geographical origins, creating a living map of the world's flora. The Madeira Botanical Garden houses over 2,000 exotic plants from all corners of the globe. From the delicate orchids of Southeast Asia to the imposing cacti of the Americas, it's a veritable United Nations of vegetation. It's not uncommon to hear visitors exclaim, "I didn't know plants could do that," as they marvel at the diversity of shapes, sizes, and colors on display. But the garden isn't just about aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in conservation, education, and research, preserving rare species and fostering a love for nature. It's a botanical wonder that reminds us of nature's boundless beauty. For football fans, we have a special treat: the Cristiano Ronaldo Museum. Nestled in the heart of Funchal, this museum is a tribute to one of the greatest footballers of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo. Not only does it showcase his journey from a young lad in Madeira to a world-renowned sports icon, but it also boasts a collection of his numerous awards, trophies, and personal memorabilia. You'll get a chance to see a life-size wax statue of the man himself, along with his Golden Foot Awards, FIFA World Player Awards, and his 5 cherished Ballon d'Or trophies. The museum also features a timeline that meticulously traces Ronaldo's illustrious career, capturing the essence of his determination, talent, and relentless pursuit of success. It's a remarkable testament to Ronaldo's legacy and a symbol of his enduring impact on football. It's a must-visit for any football enthusiast. Now let's indulge in the flavors of Funchal at Blandy's Wine Lodge. This isn't just a wine lodge, it's a trove of history, tradition, and most importantly, exquisite Madeira wine. Stepping into Blandy's Wine Lodge, you're stepping into over 2 centuries of winemaking prowess. The lodge has been crafting the rich, complex flavors of Madeira wine since the late 18th century, and the best part, you get to taste it. Each sip is a journey through time, revealing the meticulous art of winemaking that has been passed down through generations. But the wine isn't the only thing steeped in history here. The lodge itself is a testament to the island's past, housed in a building that was once a monastery and later a hospital. Today, it stands as a symbol of Funchal's rich heritage and the island's enduring love affair with wine. So raise a glass and savor the moment. It's a delightful experience that leaves a lasting taste. Next, we step into history at the Santa Clara Monastery. This 16th century cloister is a stunning piece of history nestled in the heart of Funchal. The Santa Clara Monastery is more than just a religious site, it's a testament to the city's rich past. Built in the early decades of Portuguese colonization, the monastery is an architectural marvel. The mix of Manueline and Moorish styles is a visual feast, reflecting the diverse influences that shaped Madeira's culture. From the intricately carved wooden ceilings to the beautiful azulejo tiles, every corner of the monastery whispers tales of the bygone era. But it's not just about the architecture. The Santa Clara Monastery was home to many noblewomen who chose a life of devotion, adding a unique social history to the site. Among these was the granddaughter of Christopher Columbus, who spent her life here in prayer. It's a peaceful retreat that takes you back in time. As you walk its quiet halls, you are enveloped by a serene tranquility that transports you to a different era. Our next stop is the historic São Tiago Fortress. A sentinel of the past, this fortress stands as a testament to Madeira's rich history. Constructed in the 17th century, São Tiago Fortress was built to strengthen Funchal's defense system against pirates. Its strategic location allowed for a wide view over the ocean, making it an ideal spot for spotting potential threats. The fortress's distinctive yellow facade, a nod to its former status as a military base, is hard to miss. Today it houses the Contemporary Art Museum, showcasing Madeira's vibrant art scene. As you wander through the fortress, the whispering walls tell tales of bygone eras, battles fought and victories won. When you visit, don't miss the opportunity to soak in the panoramic views of Funchal from the fortress walls. It's a site that truly encapsulates the city's charm. São Tiago Fortress is more than just a historical site. It's a place where history stands tall and proud. And finally, we arrive at Praia Formosa and the Levada walks. Nestled on the outskirts of Funchal, Praia Formosa is the largest public beach of Madeira, offering an unspoiled stretch of pebbled shore lapped by the azure Atlantic. It's a spot where the island's heart meets the ocean's soul, a place to soak up the sun or indulge in the symphony of waves. Just a stone's throw away from the beach, the Levada walks await. These are a network of mini canals originally designed to distribute water from the rain-soaked highlands to the drier coastal regions. Today, these levadas serve as pathways into the very essence of Madeira's natural beauty. As you tread along these trails, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of lush greenery, dotted with vibrant flowers and punctuated by the occasional waterfall. It's like stepping into a living, breathing postcard. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual wanderer, the Levada walks cater to all. There's a sense of tranquility that hangs in the air, a serenity that seeps into your soul, making every step a moment of zen. And why are these a must-visit, you ask? Well, simply put, Praia Formosa and the Levada walks encapsulate the raw, untamed charm of Funchal. They offer a chance to experience the island's beauty in its purest form, free from the trappings of urban life. It's the perfect ending to our Funchal journey, filled with beauty and serenity. And that, dear viewers, concludes our virtual tour of Funchal, Portugal. From the lush Monte Palace Tropical Garden, to the panoramic Funchal cable car, the vibrant Mercado dos Lavradores, to the serene Madeira Botanical Garden. Not to forget the Cristiano Ronaldo Museum, Blandy's Wine Lodge, Santa Clara Monastery, São Tiago Fortress, Praia Formosa, and breathtaking Levada walks. Funchal is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in our next destination.